Good afternoon, everybody. Man Steve here once again. It is Tuesday, October the 22nd, 2024. This is a Lasko 20-inch pedestal fan that I picked up today. This and a few others that I found as we were cleaning out an old abandoned house today. This one we picked up, and there's another one that I intend on getting on video momentarily. Fan is in pretty decent shape. I've already tested it. It works really well. It is a little dirty, and so I'm just gonna have to give this a good cleaning. There's the base right there. You can see some of the dust there on the inside. Nothing too excessive. There's the back. 3-speed control there on the back, and there's the oscillating mechanism. Power cord. Okay, so there's the inside of the motor there. It's a lot of dirt and dust caked up in there. So I'm going to have to take this all apart and give it a good cleaning. Let's get some information off of it here. Oh, well, this phone is being an ass and it's not wanting to focus. But I will just put everything in the description if anybody's going to bother to read it. Cannot find a date on this thing anywhere, but I'm pretty sure that it can't be more than about 2 or 3 years old. I'll lean a little bit more towards the older vintage and antique fans, but I guess I can say that I do have a respect for these old pedestal fans here. They do serve a purpose, and they work well enough, I guess. And I happen to like these old Lasko pedestal fans. And I've had several of them before, and I liked them. So I'm just gonna do like a cleaning on this thing, and I'll do a cleanup video of it. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to get everything on video because I'm still short on time and storage here. So this will be like an initial checkout. Well, there you go, everybody. Here is a Lasko pedestal fan. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video, and until the cleanup video of this, I will see you next time.